In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Conversation View in Gmail, step by step. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your inbox is organized. If you like seeing all related emails grouped together in one thread, Conversation View is helpful. If you prefer to see every email separately, you can turn it off in just a few clicks. So if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, look in the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is where Gmail keeps all of its main settings. After clicking the gear icon, select See All Settings. That will open the full settings page where you can change how Gmail works. Now, make sure you are on the General tab. This is usually the first tab that opens, and it contains a lot of important display and inbox options. From here, scroll down slowly until you find Conversation View. This setting controls whether Gmail groups emails into threads or shows each message on its own. If you want to turn Conversation View on, select the toggle or option for Conversation View on. This means replies and related messages will stay organized together in the same conversation thread, which can help keep long email chains easier to follow. If you want to turn Conversation View off, select the Conversation View off option instead. This will separate emails so each message appears individually, which some people prefer for easier scanning and sorting. Take a moment to choose the option that fits the way you use Gmail best. Once you've made your selection, keep scrolling all the way down until you see the Save Changes button. This part is important because Gmail won't apply your new setting unless you save it. Click Save Changes and Gmail will refresh with your new Conversation View preference applied. That's it. You've now successfully turned Conversation View on or off in Gmail. This is a really useful setting to know, whether you want a cleaner thread-based inbox or a more traditional separate email layout. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Gmail and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.